Hey, when it comes to skincare, there are a lot of words thrown around, right? Like peptides, retinol, glycolic, and salicylic acid, and it all can be quite confusing. Well, in this video, I'll explore everything you need to know about BHAs, what they are, how they work, what are the benefits, and I'll also give you some tips for you to incorporate them into your skincare routine. Hi, I'm Elaine Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so you've probably heard the acronyms AHA and BHA, like everybody's talking about them if you are following or keeping up with the skin beauty or skincare trends. Let me tell you this, skin acids really are a skincare miracle. Aren't they? Seriously. What could be better than using a product that essentially burns your face? Just kidding. Don't let the word acid fool you. In skincare, they are not corrosive or abrasive, although some can be stronger than others. AHAs and BHAs share several benefits. They both work as a chemical exfoliant to remove, your skin dead cells, unclog your pores, and decrease inflammation, helping skin conditions like acne, rosacea, and even sunburn. Acids can also reduce the appearance of large pores, wrinkles, fine lines, and even out your skin tone. And seriously, they can improve your overall complexion and texture. But what is the difference? Well, AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acids. AHAs are water soluble and work by dissolving the bonds between the dead skin cells, essentially by shedding skin at the surface level. They are ideal for treating hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and just for giving you like an overall even skin tone. On the other hand, BHAs actually work by exfoliating the top layer of your skin, and this also can help you, of course, brighten your complexion, improve uneven skin tone, and fight your first signs of aging. But BHAs are more suited for treating, I will say, acne, sun damage, and even redness. BHAs are oil soluble, which means that they can penetrate deeper through your sebaceous glands and clear up the buildup of oil, debris, and getting rid of dead skin cells that can also clog your pores and lead to breakout. Now, AHAs are often derived from sugary fruit or sugar cane. Salicylic acid is an BHA that comes from willow bark or sweet birch. However, let me tell you, in very rare cases, there's a BHA form of citric acid that can be used, but honestly, it's very unlikely to see any other BHA that does not come from salicylic acid in skincare products. Believe it or not, the molecular structure of BHAs is very similar to the structure of AHAs. In addition to exfoliating the skin, BHAs also have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making them an excellent choice for treating combination oily and acne-prone skin. BHAs can help with that because they reduce your sebum production.
One in a million, one in a million, one in a million.
Now, if you have dry skin or are looking for something to help with pigmentation, in that case, I would say that AHAs are generally the way to go for you. Okay, so probably you can see why BHAs have long been heralded as skincare saviors, especially when it comes to treating acne and sun damage. That being said, they can be pretty drying and irritating, especially for those of you with sensitive skin. So whether or not you try BHAs out for yourself really comes down to your unique skin type and skincare goals. Hey, a great way to find out if BHAs are a good match or whether your skin will be better suited to another type of skin acid is by clicking the link in the description box. Go and take the quiz and you will find out. Okay, so there are a few different ways you can incorporate BHAs into your skincare routine depending on your needs and of course your preferences. One option is to use BHA-based cleansers, I will say maybe once or twice a week. Another option could be use them as a serum or a toner that they can be applied, after cleansing and before your moisturizer. Whichever method you choose, just make sure that you follow up with sunscreen. As you know, even though BHAs don't make your skin as sensitive as to the sun as AHAs, BHAs do still make the skin more prone, or I would say susceptible to sun damage. Okay, so yes, you have to use sunscreen anyway. Using them once a week for a few days, I would say that is enough. And although most BHAs are safe enough to use daily, you have to be careful when you are starting. So go slowly and see how your skin reacts. An excellent place to start is Tato Harper's Regenerating Cleanser. It's a daily BHA exfoliator. It's on the higher end, but it's a good option. If you need something more affordable, you have René Rouleau. Yes, René Rouleau, AHA, BHA, blemish control, great option. But honestly, there are tons of clean beauty options for BHA products. And again, if you are new to the acids, start with a face wash or a toner because the concentration is lower. By the way, Neutrogena also has a very affordable option for an oily-free wash with a high dose of BHA if that's what you want. So, have you ever tried BHAs? Well, let me know in the comment below your tips and tricks. I'm always curious, and thank you very much for being here with me today. Listen, I appreciate you very much. But for now,